Hi everyone, I'm ready and excited to share with you about our new Adventure Pal Pack. This is a fantastic activity to do with your family each and every day during the Advent season. We have 24 puzzle cards available, one for each day. I'm going to show you these really quickly. So you can see that this is day 2, and we've got a fun puzzle to do that Lexi has created for you to complete. There's one for each day. A lot of fun different puzzles and activities. You get to know our puzzle pals along the way as well. And once you finally solve all these puzzles, they come together with one final answer. That's a kind of a fun puzzle riddle to solve with your family. These can also, what's great about these Adventure Puzzle Pack cards is they can be integrated into our Pal Pack Games cards. So instead of having 45 Pal Pack game cards, you will then have an extra 25 to play with. Hope you get them today, enjoy them, and happy holidays.